welcome to my channel. Today I'm testing out some more Rimmel products for you. This was sent to me through Influencer, so I want to say a huge thank you to Rimmel and Influencer for sending me these products so I can review them and show you them in this video. I want to get straight into it, trying to cut down on the blabbering and get straight in. A little card that I always get, kind of just explaining what the collection is and what is in this collection. This collection is Rimmel London Urban Affair collection. It's got Rita Ora on the front of it, like most of them do now, and they say this season leave no trace with this brand new collection to create an unexpected modern romance look. So I'm guessing they're kind of bringing this sultry collection out in time for Valentine's Day. I actually love this time of year around Valentine's Day purely because clothing companies and beauty brands and everything really jump on board and bring out some really nice stuff. In this box I have 3 matte liquid lipsticks and 4 nail polishes. The first thing I'm going to talk about is the nail polishes. In this collection, I've received 4 shades and a top coat. These are called Rimmel London Super Gel polishes. Although they say gel on them, they do not need to be cured by a UV lamp or an LED lamp. It's just like a normal polish, but they say that it lasts 2 weeks like a gel would. And also it has the shine of a gel as well. On each polish, the colour has a number 1 on it, so you know to put that on first, and the top coat has a number 2 on it. Also it's quite good because the lid bright purple, so you won't mix it up with any of the other polishes. The first shade we have in the polishes is called Urban Affair, what this whole collection is called. This is a really gorgeous nude. I love a nude polish, especially because a lot of workplaces don't let you have bright nails, or school and things like that, colleges. It's always good to have a really nice nude in a collection, and I'm really glad that they did this. The next shade that we have is called Trust You, and it's a really gorgeous, deep, dirty, dusty purple. And then the next colour we have, oh, I know that my auntie is going to love this because it came to me and was like, I need a really dark red that's almost black. When it's on the nail, further away it would look black, but then when it comes into the light you really see the deep redness in it. And this is called Fatal Fling, and it's a gorgeous colour. I think my favourite colour on my nails at the moment. I love the tones in this collection. The final shade I have is called Devotion, and this is a black. This is just a plain black nail varnish. At first when I put it on I thought, oh, is this purpley? And when you look in the light it does look purpley, but do you know when you get black nail polishes and when you put them on lightly it does have that purple, but the second coat goes on and it goes completely black. I think that's kind of the colour that I was seeing. Nothing like crazy about that shade, it's just a black. They also recommend to have 2 coats of colour and 1 coat of top coat. I thought that they were really shiny just with the colour, but when I put that top coat on I was like, I cannot believe how glossy they are. I'm a very bright nail type of gal. I normally have glitter on all of them, bright colours. When I was trying these colours out I was like, oh, I actually quite like these colours because they're very different from what I normally have. So I do think I'm going to keep these on my nails for quite a while now. When I have clients come to me and they have short nails, they always assume that if they have a dark colour that it's just going to make them look worse, but it makes them look a lot better, makes them look longer. And I must say that the brush on these polishes are honestly incredible. Like, they're so wide, and at first I panicked because I have really narrow fingers and nails, so I panicked, especially on my little finger. I thought it's gonna go on my skin, but it actually didn't at all. It's quite good because the more pressure you put on, the wider the bristles fan out. When I painted my thumb it did it absolutely perfectly, and it also did my little finger perfectly. You just put lighter pressure on if it's a smaller nail, so the bristles on the brush don't fan out. The shine on these is incredible. Like, they look like gel. You have quite a lot of brands at the moment put the word gel on their nail polishes because gel nails or shellac nails literally exploded. Everyone was having them done. People that would never have acrylics because they didn't want to damage their nails would go and have gels. There was a huge demand for it. Nail polish brands caught onto that. People that would normally use polish are now having gels because they last 2 weeks and they're super shiny and don't chip. Brands like this need to catch on to that and to like the technology behind it, because people won't be using polish. To put it bluntly, they needed to do something to kind of reel people back in again. I don't know how they've done it, but they claim that these last for 14 days, which is the average time of gels or shellac. So they're basically saying that you can buy our polish, it will last the same amount of gels, but obviously it's not as expensive and you can take it off yourself. And kind of like the biggest flaw when it comes to gels is that people like to be able to take it off themselves. So, but I found a lot of brands put the word gel on their polishes and it kind of doesn't resemble anything to do with gels whatsoever, but they just put the word gel on it because it's trending, it's a hot topic at the moment. And I must be honest, I did think that this was kind of the same thing, but these have the shine of a gel. And I'm not going to say that lightly. I know I got sent this stuff, but I can say whatever I want about it. I got sent this through Influencer. They want me to be honest in my review about it, and I don't have to say anything. I cannot say to you that they're lasting capabilities. If I get any chipping or anything, I will definitely write it in the description down below. I've painted over bare acrylics, so these aren't on my natural nail. If that makes a difference to you, then just thought I'd let you know. But the thing that did stick out to me is that they haven't got a nail primer. I would always use a nail primer in whatever I'm doing. That's one thing to keep in mind. If you really want it to stay on your nail and also you don't want to damage your nail in any way and you don't want to stain it, make sure to use a nail primer. I also do recommend to try and stay with the same brand. If you physically can't, then by all means go get another brand, but I would go for the Rimmel one because then you know that it will work nicely together. The second half of this video is going to be me trying on the lipsticks, and that's why it might look a bit weird. Basically foundation lips right now. That is because I'm going to be testing out 3 of Rimmel's brand new liquid lipsticks, and they are called Stay Matte Liquid Lip Colour, and I have 3 shades here. The liquid lipsticks are the same shade as the nail polishes. If you want to be extra and match your lipstick to your nails, they're not named the same, but from the bottles and the tubes, basically the same colour. I'm gonna do some lip swatches for you, and I'm also gonna do an ombre with this because in their advertisement they have people wearing them using these 3 as an ombre, so I'm gonna do both for you. We are going to start with Stay Matte Liquid Lip Colour in the shade Fatal Kiss. Oh my goodness. Right, I'll show you this first. The applicator is really long, so I'm guessing that's quite good because you can get more precision with it, and it kind of fits to all lip sizes and lip shapes. So I'm loving the applicator. I didn't use a lip pencil, and I found that because the applicator was quite long and went quite thin, I could get really precise and I didn't need a lip liner. What is super good. This I could easily forget. It's not like I physically cannot feel nothing at all, but it's not there like, oh my god, you have lipstick on, it's drying your lips type thing. It's not like that at all. It has gone completely matte. At first I did think that maybe it would be like a satin, but no, it does eventually go completely matte. It's super pigmented considering it is quite a thin formula. They're not that bad to get off. What I really struggle with the Anastasia Beverly Hills lipsticks, you cannot get them off. You need to put like a cleansing balm on them. Right, the next colour I'm trying on is called Urban Affair. It kind of looks like the deep purple nail polish that I tried on. This is coming out a little bit sheer, so I do think I'm going to have to put 2 coats of this on. But it is a darker colour, so normally you do. Just thought I would show you. The top lip I have put 2 coats on, and the bottom lip I've put 1. So it is a little bit sheer. So I'm just going to put the second coat on the bottom lip. and voila. I honestly love this shade so much. Excuse me. This is sexy. That is what it is. It's sexy. It's this gorgeous deep purple. I've not got a shade like this. Normally when you get deep colours like this, they have much more of a red undertone, whereas this is completely purpled undertone. I love it. Oh, I can't. Oh, I love it. Now I'm really excited to try on the other one because I feel like this one's going to have more of a red undertone. The formula is the same. Yes, it does need 2 coats, but when that second coat is on, there's like no patchiness, no sheerness whatsoever. We are on the final lipstick, and this is a super dark colour called Damn Hot. I did not expect that. The tube is frosted, so it doesn't actually look black. It kind of has like a reddy purple to it, but it is a black lipstick. Well, it's so strange because I feel like it's not advertised as being black, but on my lips it looks like a black lipstick. Also, I must say this one you do need to put thick coats on because it did get really sheer. I must say I would never ever ever wear black lipstick, but recently I've been seeing on Instagram people wear it with like really glamorous eyes, and normally I would think if you're gonna have a lip this bold then don't really go too bold with the eyes, but Stacey Marie MUA's Instagram, who I'm practically obsessed with, and I just think that it looks stunning. I am so happy that I got this so I can try looks like that out. And that is everything in the Rimmel Urban Affair, I said that really strange then, Urban Affair collection, and I am living for it. It's not this cutesy love heart Valentine's-y type vibe. It's very sexy and sultry, and it says Urban Affair, so it has that bit of like darkness behind it. What I'm absolutely loving in this collection. Oof. It's weird for me anyway. Let me know in the comments down below what your favourite item in this video. I haven't done anything to do with nails on my channel, so that's a bit of a first for me today. I'll also let you know if I get any chip or wear from these polishes. I'll put it in the description down below. So make sure you are following my Instagram at brooke.ellis_. Make sure you press the like button down below if you liked this video. Trying new products just gets me so excited. I want to say a huge thank you to Rimmel and Influencer for sending me the products for this video. If you haven't already, please press the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye!